road that led Dustin Gross to Montgomery County High School led him back here today. The colors he wore on his chest lined the path for those that came to see him. Inside this gym, he once shined as an athlete. Now his fans are here to say goodbye.
One more time to see you walk through the door. Another smile, another story, another up, another day, just one more.
They came hoping for comfort.
I just want closure to all this because, I just don't feel like I got the closure I needed. I just don't feel like I got to say bye when I needed to or when I wanted to.
Left with them is the pain that he's not coming back. And for a soldier's mother, it's the final flag that represents Dustin.